as a store, what everybody does, what is the type of business what we call that? Retail. Okay, that's what we are going to study about. हम लोग सिर्फ अकेले retail नहीं करें, the other people also around us doing the retail. So which means कि we are also going to study about the environment around us. So I'll go through all these things in a little bit more detail. लेकिन ये जब environment में retail धंधा करते हैं, business करते हैं, whatever form, you know, retail के अलावा और कौन से format है, business models है, we're all going to learn that. These are the business models.
चूड़ी में हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, मैडम इसमें 1.5 ग्राम सोना है, तो आज का भाव पे 7,000 रुपया सोने का हो गया. मैडम द डायमंड्स आर VVS क्वालिटी, सो इट्स 47,000 रुपीज़ अ कैरेट. 47,000 into 0.20 is so much. This plus this is so much. We are only charging you 2,000 rupees labor. You get so scared. Only 2,000 rupees labor we say. Because मेरे को मालूम है 2,000 रुपये वो डिस्काउंट मांगेगी. और हम लोग खुद कपड़ा खरीदने जाएंगे ना, वहाँ पे बिंदास 30,000 का कुछ खरीद लिया, कुछ पूछा नहीं कितना का सिलाई, कितने का ये, कितने का वो, पूछते भी नहीं है. दिस इज़ द साइकी ऑफ द इंडियन कस्टमर. बट अगर मैं ज़्यादा मुंह खोलूँगा या खोलूँगी तो बाजू वाला सस्ते में देगा, मेरा कस्टमर भाग जाएगा. एंड दैट इज़ वॉट इज़ नॉट टेकिंग द ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री अहेड. वी आर बिकम सोफिस्टिकेटेड बाबूज. खुद तो हम लोग काम नहीं करते, बाबू से काम कराते हैं, और बाबू में से 800 रुपया लेगा, हम लोग 2,000 लेंगे, तो हम लोग 1,200 कमाएंगे. कितने पे? 25,000 पे हम लोग 1,200 कमाएंगे, 5%. सो वी आर नॉट डूइंग ग्रेट बिजनेस एज ज्वेलर्स. इट ओनली लुक्स गुड फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड, बट इनसाइड इट्स नॉट सो ग्रेट. And this whole initiative called WOW is just how to change that retail sector, the retail environment जब बेच रहे हैं ना, वो change करने का है. That is the whole idea. Once you understand this, then you will talk that language, you will design that way, you will sell that way, you will teach people that way, and you will make your money. Otherwise, welcome to the gang. Yeah, there's enough ignorance, add to the ignorance.
You will become the face of future now. You know, of the industry, because nobody's learned this way. हमारी इंडस्ट्री में जो भी लर्निंग हुआ है ना, इसका आओ यहाँ पे बैठो, हम काम सिखाते हैं, ये काम करो और तुम सीख जाओगे. दिस इज व्हाट द पीपल हैव लर्न, दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव लर्न. माइंड्स हैव चेंज्ड अबाउट डायमंड ऑल्सो एज अ प्रोडक्ट. पहले के ज़माने में डायमंड मतलब नहीं, मेरे को ये सूट नहीं करेगा, ये मेरे को कुछ बुरा लग लाएगा, वॉट एवर इट इज़. नाउ पीपल डोंट थिंक एनी मोर लाइक. द न्यू जनरेशन इज चेंजिंग. नाउ व्हेन यू गो ऑनलाइन एंड डू द शॉपिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, डू यू वरी अबाउट ऑल दिस ब्रेकअप्स एंड एवरीथिंग? एक प्राइस देखा, ले लिया ना आपने. So if I have to rate five top industries, 37% of the revenue जो गवर्नमेंट को मिलता है वो क्लोथिंग से आता है. फूड में सेकंड सबसे ज़्यादा रेवेन्यू गवर्नमेंट को फूड से आता है. देन कम्स कंज्यूमर ड्यूरेबल्स, जिसमें आपका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और वो सब भी आ गया. 8% ऑफ द रेवेन्यू कम्स फ्रॉम फुटवेयर. And then comes the rest of the ones, जिसमें jewelry and watches is one of the section, which is 6% of the revenue. These figures are from around 2010-2011 का figures है. You'll be surprised, I don't know how many of you know this, but India till date is the biggest consumer of gold in the world. So when you are doing retailing as a selling or development, product development, designing, you have to keep in mind the customer target also. वो कैसे कहाँ से background से आता है. What are the things जो which will affect my pricing of the product also. Creativity is something which is very important, not only in thinking, also in implementing also. You should have the guts to do something different. Try to sell a piece, try to design a piece. If you start designing, if you start thinking from the value perspective and not price perspective, then probably you can create something fantastic. And that's what a lot of jewelers in the country also are doing the same thing. That's what the whole idea of the business cycle should go like. I have to catch up every occasion, every relation, every small incident, whatever you can catch on. Not only that, अगर आपका clientele existing customer base है, study those customers only. You don't have to find the other people. आपके जो existing customers they have actually bought jewelry from you. Understand them. और उसका anniversary वगैरह रहा है, मैडम आपका anniversary आ रहा है, मे बी ओनम आ रहा है, एक हम लोग का एक special collection है, specially for this thing. You come and have a look at my collection. What do you think about it? So when you talk about sales and marketing, this is not selling. What I told about all these things. Selling is happening when people come in the shop and actually you sell the goods. You don't have to spend money on it. You can still do marketing. Okay? So when you design your jewelry and everything, there will be a role of marketing your jewelry also what you do. So these all things, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें आप तभी कर पाओगे when you do lateral thinking. Great. So again you design all these products and everything. You have to keep your target customer. वो साउथ है, उसको सोना अच्छा लगेगा, उसको पीला कलर अच्छा लगेगा. If it's a North Indian, maybe I do a mixture. White gold, yellow gold mix कर दूँ. Maybe he might like pink gold also. So जो भी होता है वो यूनिवर्स में होता है. Consumer is the center of everything. Consumer के डिमांड के हिसाब से सब लोग को चलना पड़ता है. It's a buyer's market. Why? Consumer is like the sun of the solar system. यहाँ पे कुछ हो गया तो everybody will affect.
So looking good firstly with your new hairstyle and stuff. And let's continue with our workshop that we just had. So, how did you find the workshop and what have you learned from it?
I could learn more about the retail jewelry, how the retail jewelry business works, how the different retail formats in our country. I could learn more about how the different formats work, their style, everything. So I find it very informative.
Good. So, anything that you want to put your inputs of how you're going to actually utilize the workshop?
Since I am also into a retail jewelry business, so I can understand how my competitors work. So it will be good for me to know their style of working and how their weaknesses also I can understand. And I expect a lot because our sir is gonna definitely go into more details. So I'll learn more about it, so I can utilize it better.
Good. So, I see a good game plan happening here, already strategizing. So, best of luck with your future endeavors. Thanks.